Plugs out.
No workings of it.
No, I didn't, I see. Briscoe's just done a bunk. Jamie and Roy have done a crank. I've been looking for him.
Ah, you bastard! Fuck off!
Crank. Pistons are out. How long you been in air then, Brish? Talk to me. Heads. Got to clean everything up. Jamie's been hard at it.
Oh yeah, we've already come up with a plan.
Heads off. Pistons. Oh, Roy guiding us through it. Telling us off. And I yeah.
You, yeah. We keep fucking
bit.
about shit.
Heads.
It's a bit tight.
It's everything here.
No.
Just seating the valves in. There's a block, all clean, ready to go. Jamie's doing the valves. Block. Nice clean pistons. Thanks to Roy, as ever, for all his help and hard work doing this, and Jamie sparing time. Couldn't do it really without both of them, especially Roy. Roy's been good to us over the years, appreciate that. Yeah. Like sticky your finger in that Vaseline, don't you, son?
You want to be careful in your sales.
I know, Keith would love her. There's all the bits ready to assemble back together. Got some bits to come. Cam, etc., a few other bits. Refresh for next season. No, I know.
Last time you took a picture of him going your valves in.
No. So Roy and Jamie just done the old push rods, put them back together. Done all the adjustable rods. Now we're just making sure all the carbs are clean before we put the manifold back on. So it's pretty much back ready for testing. Roy and Jamie just finished off checking a few bits. We've set a time in and then gonna run it up. All back together, rebuilt, fresh, some new bits in it, and yeah.
not bent, alright?
That's all done, ready to go. Thank you as ever to Roy.